Hello from the do-it-yourself blog. I'm going to explain how to fix the Apple loading thing. Fix it first with tape, but this comes off, so that's useless. It will not stay there. The tape, because it doesn't work. Here we can see the actual problem. This will eventually get broken here. Can you see it? Rope and contact glue. Let's see. Some glue in here. For the last layer, so there will be either this will be nice or really like amazingly ugly. Good or bad. So that's how it came out. You know, I think I can live with this. So next it will get broken here. That's how you fix it. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a look at the other videos and please comment, like or dislike the videos.